Part 2. Our mixture is very close. Now you do get frothy bubbles, but what we're looking for here are bubbles that start coming up the side very slowly when it's almost ready to boil but not quite there. Then what we're going to add once this is done is 2.5 cups of cream, 4 teaspoons, for me 5 to 6, I like my vanilla, into a bowl with a little bit of salt. And we're looking at 1/2 teaspoon here. We're going to put that all in, get it all incorporated, and then it's going to chill overnight. Now one thing you can do if you want to make some flavored ice cream, I went over to the farm market today and got 2 pints of raspberries. I took 1.5 pints of them, put them on the stove with 1/4 cup of sugar, and let it just cook down on a low heat until it was good and broken down. Really no chunks. And I put it through a strainer, pushed all that liquid out, and that's what I have. And I'm going to drizzle that in ever so slowly in a little while. And I apologize for the phone ringing. That's the 7th politician calling in the last half hour. Tell what time of season it is. Alright, so here we go mixing. Ever so slightly. And it's thickening up too. And you're going to feel that when you go around that there's a little bit of resistance. That's the egg yolk getting up to temp. And we're very close to seeing some bubbles rise up there. And right here on the edge is where I see the bubbles starting to rise. That means I am done. So we're going to cut the heat. And that's it. And then we're going to transfer this to a nice bowl. Ooh, there we go. And then add the cream. Now I have to add another 1/2 cup here in just a minute here. Add this. I like my vanilla, remember that. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We mix it all up. And I let it cool down enough before I put plastic wrap on it so we don't get all kinds of condensation. But this is what the mixture looks like. And tomorrow we're going to finish it. Piece of cake.